Welcome back, guys. Today, we are going to see how to remove followers on Bluesky. So, make sure to watch the video till the end to get the most out of it. To do this, open your Bluesky app on your desktop, and then from here, your home page, select Profile and click on it. Right under your username, you can see Followers and Following. Click on your followers. And as you can see, I am new to this, so I do not have any followers yet. But what you have to do is come back to your profile and then click on Following. As you can see, there is an option through which you can unfollow your current following list, and then you can also follow them again. The same goes for the followers. Once you open the followers section, you will see an option to remove. Simply click on that, and you can easily remove your follower. So, that is it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily solutions. See you in the next one.